Imagine waking up on a Tuesday morning and your phone buzzes before you even reach for the alarm. You look at the screen. $2,900 has just landed in your account. You did not work for it. You did not sell anything. You did not even get out of bed. That money arrived because of a decision you made years ago, a decision that most people never make. And today, we are going to walk you through exactly what that decision looks like. This is Alex's story, and it could be yours. Alex was a 34-year-old logistics coordinator earning a decent salary. He saved a little every month. He thought he was doing everything right. Then one afternoon, his colleague showed him something that stopped him cold. It was not a salary slip, it was not a bonus email, it was a bank notification, a dividend payment, $2,900. His colleague had not worked that day. He had taken his kid to school, gone for a run, and come home to find nearly $3,000 waiting for him. Alex looked at that number for a long time. Then he asked the only question that mattered. How? I am Vish. Welcome to Vish Invest, where we break down money with real examples, real numbers, and zero fluff. Today I am going to show you the 3 fastest strategies Alex used to build $2,900 a month in dividend income. And I am going to give you the exact 2026 numbers you need to get there yourself. Stay with me until strategy 3, because that is the one that changes everything. Before the strategies, let us spend 60 seconds on what dividends actually are, because this one idea can completely shift how you think about money. When you buy a share of a company, you become a part owner of that business. When the company makes a profit, it faces a choice. It can reinvest that money back into growth, or it can hand a portion of it directly to its shareholders. When it hands that money to you, that payment is called a dividend. Alex owned 100 shares in a company priced at $50 each. That company paid $1.25 per share every quarter. Without lifting a finger, without selling a single share, $125 arrived in his account every 3 months. He still owned every share. The money just came. That is the power of dividends. The number you need to understand is called dividend yield. It is simply the annual dividend divided by the price of the share. If a stock costs $100 and pays $6 per year, the yield is 6%. That percentage tells you exactly how hard your money is working while you sleep. Now with that locked in, let us talk about how Alex got to $2,900 a month and how much it actually costs in 2026 to get there. Strategy 1. Covered call ETFs, the highest yield, the fastest income. When Alex first heard about covered call ETFs, he thought it sounded too complicated. It is not. Here is all you need to know. A covered call ETF holds a basket of stocks, hundreds of companies, and at the same time sells something called call options on those stocks to generate extra income on top. The fund collects money twice, once from the dividends the stocks pay out, and again from the option premiums it collects each month. That double income stream is why these funds pay yields that make traditional dividend stocks look ordinary. Here are the real numbers in 2026. QYLD, which holds all the NASDAQ 100 companies, currently pays a trailing dividend yield of 11.62%. That means for every $100 invested, you are receiving $11.62 a year, paid every single month. XYLD, which holds the S&P 500, sits at 10.38% right now. JEPI from JP Morgan is at approximately 10.79% and has become one of the most popular income funds in the world this year. Compare any of those numbers to the average savings account earning 1.5%, and you will feel exactly what Alex felt when he first saw them. Like something had been hidden from him his entire life. So what does Alex need? To get to $2,900 a month, or $34,800 a year, using covered call ETFs at a blended yield of around 10.5%. The answer is approximately $330,000. Not $1 million. Not $2 million. $330,000. That is the real 2026 number. But here is what Alex's mentor made sure he understood before he invested a single dollar. Covered call ETFs are income machines, not growth machines. Because they sell the upside of their stocks in exchange for premium income, they tend to lag behind in a strong bull market. The fund is designed to pay you, not to grow dramatically. Alex accepted that trade-off without hesitation. He was not trying to beat the market. He was trying to replace his paycheck. Big difference. And there is one more thing. Because these ETFs pay so generously and so consistently, they attract income investors who reinvest every payment, compounding their position month after month. Alex started by reinvesting every dollar of his dividend income back into the fund. For 3 years, he did not touch a cent of it. By the time he switched to drawing income, the machine was already fully warmed up. That discipline of 3 years of reinvesting was the step most people skip. And it is the step that made everything else possible. Strategy 2. REITs, real estate income without ever being a landlord. Now imagine owning a piece of a shopping center, a hospital wing, a chain of hotels, and an industrial warehouse all at the same time and receiving rental income from every single one of them every single month. That is what a REIT gives you. A real estate investment trust, REIT, is a company that owns income-producing properties. By law, REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income directly to shareholders. That legal obligation is what makes them one of the most reliable dividend vehicles in history. They are not choosing to pay you. They are required to. Some of the best REITs in 2026 pay monthly. Realty Income, often called the monthly dividend company, has paid and increased its dividend every single year since it went public in 1994. Over 30 years of consecutive increases. Think about what happened in those 30 years. The dot-com crash, the 2008 financial crisis, a global pandemic. Realty Income paid its dividend through all of it. Apple Hospitality, REIT, which owns hotels across the United States, currently yields around 7.8%. EPR Properties, which owns entertainment venues, education facilities, and recreation centers, yields over 6% with monthly payments. If Alex targets a blended 7% yield across a diversified REIT portfolio, he needs approximately $497,000 invested to generate $34,800 per year. That is more capital than covered call ETFs require. But what REITs give you that ETFs cannot is something Alex found deeply reassuring. Tangible assets, buildings, leases, tenants paying rent every month. When the market falls and the numbers on a screen look terrifying, it is a lot easier to hold an investment when you can picture exactly what backs it. Alex spread his REIT allocation across 3 sectors: commercial retail, industrial warehouses, healthcare facilities. His reasoning was brutally simple. He never wanted one piece of bad economic news to wipe out his entire income stream. Diversification inside the strategy, not just across strategies. Strategy 3. Dividend aristocrats, the slowest to start, the most powerful over time. Here is a sentence most people do not want to hear. The boring strategy is usually the one that actually works. But stay with me, because what I am about to tell you about dividend aristocrats is genuinely extraordinary. A dividend aristocrat is a company inside the S&P 500 that has increased its dividend payment to shareholders every single year for at least 25 consecutive years. Not held steady, not occasionally grown, increased every year, without exception. Right now in 2026, there are 69 companies that qualify: Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Chevron, companies that have been rewarding their shareholders for a quarter of a century through every crash, every recession, every crisis the world has thrown at them. Now here is the honest truth about their yields today, because I will not give you inflated numbers on this channel. The average dividend aristocrat currently yields around 2.1%. That is not eye-catching. Alex knew that. But here is what changes everything: a concept called yield on cost. Alex invested $10,000 in Coca-Cola years ago at a certain price and a certain dividend. Every year since, Coca-Cola has raised that dividend, not the yield on the market price, the actual dollar amount paid per share, which means Alex's original $10,000 now earns a far higher effective return than the market advertises. The 2.1% yield you see today is for someone buying today. Alex's yield on his original investment is much higher, and it keeps climbing every year automatically without him doing anything. That compounding of the payment, not the price, is what makes dividend aristocrats the most powerful long-term wealth tool in this entire video. To hit $34,800 per year at a blended yield of 3.5%, Alex would need around $994,000 invested. That is the highest capital requirement of the three strategies. But the income does not stay at $2,900 a month. It grows every year, and because these are some of the most financially resilient companies on the planet, the risk of a dividend being cut is far lower than almost anything else in the market. This is why Alex did not choose one strategy. He combined all three. Covered call ETFs gave him immediate high income. REITs gave him reliable monthly cash flow backed by real assets. Dividend aristocrats gave him a compounding machine that grows stronger every year. Three different strategies, each one filling the gaps the others leave open. That is the portfolio that printed $2,900 a month and kept printing it. The question is never whether this is possible. The numbers in this video prove it is. The only question is when you decide to start. Alex started. That Tuesday morning when his phone buzzed before the alarm, that was just the result of a decision he made years earlier. The decision to begin. If this video opened your eyes to something new, hit like and subscribe to Vish Invest. And if you are in your 20s or 30s watching this and wondering where to put your first dollar, I already made a video on the 7 things smart people buy in their 20s to grow wealth. Everything in that video feeds directly into what we talked about today. It is on your screen right now. I will see you there.